Do you have a passion in traveling and you are looking for a business that you can actually start alongside your traveling adventures? Now, in this video, I'm going to discuss the 8 reasons or the 8 benefits you get when you actually join a network marketing company. My name is Berlin Muchesia. With a close of almost 5 years in network marketing business, I'm going to lead you into the 8 benefits you get when you actually join a network marketing company. You get to learn how it works, everything about network marketing business, and I'm going to present to you the ways in which you're going to benefit if traveling is your a passion. As I start, network marketing business is a business model that involves word to word or mouth to mouth in terms of marketing and promoting a service or a product, and in turn you get earning a commission. But however, you need to learn on what is network marketing, how does network marketing works, and how are you going to be paid, or rather make your commission. So without wasting much time, let's now dive into the benefits you get when you join a network marketing company if you have a passion in traveling. One is a passion for travel. Remember, already you have a genuine interest in exploring places and getting to learn different cultures. Maybe you love traveling because you want to enjoy different scenes. Maybe you want to see the tradition. Maybe you want to see about the fashion. Maybe a different cuisine and other factors that leads you to have that dream to travel to different places. So if you work very well and work and get to learn about network marketing business, it gives you an opportunity to travel and visit some of the places that you are actually dreaming of. Secondly, it is an entrepreneurial ambition. Now, network marketing allows you to build and create financial independence. Since already you love traveling, then it gives you that entrepreneurial mindset of maybe doing a business that you love and still you have a passion in traveling. It doesn't hinder you that maybe you love traveling and you think that this business, if I start, is going to stop me from achieving my dreams. No, you still have that ambition and you can still work in network marketing business if you have a passion in traveling. Three is flexibility and freedom. Now, if you look at the model of network marketing business, it actually allows you to work from anywhere. As long as you have internet access and you still have that urge of making money, network marketing allows you to work from anywhere. Like for example, you might have traveled from your home to a different country or a different region, and you think that if you go to that place, you're not going to do the business. No, you are still going to achieve your passion of doing the business, and as you keep on enjoying your new place or your new country that you have just visited. The fourth one is adventure. Now, if you look at network marketing, it will make you to embrace the adventurous spirit and wanting to share that business, that passion with other people through the traveling opportunities. As you travel, remember you're going to meet new people, you're going to meet new places, you're going to see different things. So it actually makes you to embrace the fact that you can actually share this opportunity with the people you are traveling with the people you are meeting, or the new places you are going will give you a different mindset, and sometimes you come up with a different skill or something new that you are going to that is going to keep you doing the business. Fifth benefit that is going to make you to actually start this business is the need of helping others. Now, network marketing will make you give a chance to other people to fulfill their dreams, traveling incentives, and even create a memorable experience. Remember, traveling or going to a new place comes with a cost. And so sometimes you may have that urge of wanting to travel with your friend, with your loved one, or even with your colleagues or even neighbors. But when you look at the cost of running that traveling, you find that finance comes as an issue. However, network marketing will give an opportunity for each one of you or all of your friends, because they can still join you or join your team. And the next time you plan your traveling, then 3 or 5 of you, then you can go together, because now all of you are doing network marketing business, you are taking your dreams and you're actually making money that is financing all your trip there, the group, all of you. Another benefit is on personal development. If you look at the skills you need, maybe you need to learn about communication, you need to learn about on networking. You meet other open-minded people, and you find that all of you, or you as a person, you are learning something new that you never knew before. For example, you're going to discover that you're going to learn on how to present. You're going to learn on how to interact with people. You're going to learn on how do people, the questions they ask you, or how do you respond to them. Second last is additional income. Now, you might be working or you have other commitments, but already you are traveling, you are visiting new places, but you find that this business is going to give you a chance to make an extra income, whereby you, or maybe with your colleague or your loved one, as you are traveling, remember you are building your business. People are joining your team. People are buying products from you. So you have that chance of making an extra income in terms of increasing the wealth, increasing the team, learning different things, and you're making another income that was never there before. So it gives you also a chance in creating more wealth, in investing other businesses, or even building it to other people, because you're also helping your friends who are also making an extra income. And lastly, it is traveling incentives. Now, if you look at my company, if you have never traveled before, it's at some point it's going to become a reality, because my company will come with an incentive for everyone. However, or when you joined, if you joined today, tomorrow, or yesterday, you are still going to travel. The company comes with an incentive, and if you get to meet it, then you have a chance to be paid full trip, the accommodation, the traveling, everything that you need for you to travel. So those are some of the 8 ways that are going to make you achieve your passion if you love traveling and you start network marketing business. However, there is something that I want you to note, that network marketing is not a rich quick scheme. Let no one lie to you that if you join a network marketing company, within a short period of time you're going to achieve a massive success. No. As a business, all businesses have the same rules. You have to work hard, you have to commit yourself, you have to learn on how to market your business, how do you sell your product, and that is when success is guaranteed. But when it comes to network marketing, as long as you follow the right steps, you follow the right mentorship, and you follow the right trainings, you are still going to succeed. Another thing that I want you to know is that you have to be very careful with which network marketing company are you joining, because some of them are are marketing themselves as network marketing business, but in other words they are illegal pyramid schemes. So you need to learn about that company, get to know of its name, check to know its compensation plan, how do they work, does they have product lineup, check out the managerial, the board of directors, plus many other factors that you need to know if you want to join a genuine network marketing company. In fact, I'm going to leave a link in my description. I've done another video on how to know if this is a network marketing company, don't get scammed, or if it is a legit network marketing company. Maybe you're asking yourself that I've never done this business before, or you're skeptic, how do I start? And you're like, am I going to succeed in this business? The good news is, when you are going to join my team, the first thing is to give you an orientation. And this is where I take you through the guidance, the regulation of the company, the policies, how are you going to work, when is the best time for you, when are you available, and we are also going to unveil the training and support system, like maybe like for example I'm going to show you on how do we present or how do we talk to people, and all that comes under as one package in mentoring and mentorship and training. Your work is just to avail yourself and get to learn on what we have prepared on a single day or at a given time. So the answer is you are going to succeed in network marketing if you just follow the steps and everything we are going to learn. As I'm winding up, just to keep you updated, or to keep you on the recap, is that network marketing will give you that opportunity for you to travel to any place of your dreaming land, or any place that you have passion with, and still do it as a business. But however, if you are interested and you are ready to join a network marketing company, I'm ready to help you to get started. I'm going to present to you how this business works and everything you need to know about network marketing. What you just need to do is, in the description section below, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact. Get to me, reach out to me, and I'm ready to help you on getting started. However, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you have found something informative, give it a like, subscribe, or if you have a question, let me know it in the comment section and I'll be able to respond to it accordingly. Waiting at the other side as we explore our dreams of traveling and visiting new places.